Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I am making homemade donuts. Not a healthy treat, that's for sure, but it definitely is a treat, and I always make it on Pancake Tuesday or Shrove Tuesday, I think that's what it's called. And this has been my kids' favorite for many years now, and I'm not allowed to not make it. So I thought I'd share this amazing recipe with you all. This tastes delicious. It is my grandmother's recipe. So I will have the blog post link down below with the full recipe. So right here I have mixed warm water, warm milk, a packet of active dry yeast, so it's quarter cup of warm water, quarter cup of cold warm milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 package of dry active yeast, which is about 10 grams. And I let this sit for about 10 minutes or until it bubbles. The dough, I will need about half a kilogram, so 500 to 600 grams of flour, 3 eggs, quarter cup of oil. I'm using canola oil. I know it's not the best for you, but like I said, this is a once-a-year treat, so it's okay. And I'm going to knead that all in my KitchenAid mixer. So I added the flour. Now I'm adding half a cup of milk and half a cup of water. Then I'm going to add my yeast mixture. And some oil. And I'm going to add the 3 eggs. So here it is, mixing, kneading, and I think I might have to add a bit more flour. So the dough's done. I have oiled another bowl that I'm going to transfer the dough into, and I'm going to let it rest for about an hour. The dough will be very sticky, so you want to flour your hands so you can actually pick it up. So here it is. It's in here, and I wetted the cloth, and now it's gonna rest for about an hour. So the dough is ready, and I will be rolling it out on my dough board that I floured. I have my little thing to make the holes in. This is what I'm using to get the perfect shape. I am using a marble rolling pin, extra flour, and I had lined a giant cutting board with some parchment paper and just sprinkled a little bit of flour just because the dough is quite sticky. So I'm gonna get started. So here they are. I just made one batch because we don't need too many, and I made mini ones for the daycare kids. I only have 4. And now I'm going to preheat my oil because they are deep fried, and while the oil is preheating, they'll just be resting. I will cover them back up with a rag. I am preheating the deep fryer to, what do you have it set up? It's supposed to be between 360 and 375. So the oil is preheated, and you want it to be heated thoroughly because you don't want to be dropping these donuts into not heated enough oil, because they will completely soak all the oil. And you cook them for about 3 minutes. So they're done on one side, and now I just flip them and cook them for another 2-3 minutes on the other side. I just put the second batch in, and the first batch is done, and I am just keeping them on a paper towel just to soak up some of the oil. And then I'm going to fill the little bowls in here with Nutella or strawberry jam. Most likely Nutella for my family. So here it is, all done. It looks delicious. And I sprinkled some powdered sugar on it.